Hi folks, the subject of this video is Fort Desoto Park in Florida. This is a county park. It's on a unique piece of real estate. We had so much fun there and it is just absolutely gorgeous. We had a bright sunny blue day on the day of our visit. There was so much to see and do at Fort Desoto Park that I needed to split the content up between two different videos. So in this video, I'm going to take you to North Beach. That's where you want to go if you want some stunning beaches. And then I take you over to the Arrowhead Picnic Area, which is right across from North Beach. And that has a lot to offer. It's just not a picnic area. Check out our latest RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. So let's get some administrative stuff out of the way here. For this portion of the video, I'm using Google Maps. And like I said, this is a unique piece of real estate. This is Fort Desoto County Park right out here. And I was coming from Bradenton. Melody and I were set up in a campground in Bradenton. And we came across Interstate 275, and of course that's a toll bridge, the Skyway bridge. But what was unexpected are these two tolls you see here outlined in blue. This is a toll booth, and this is a toll booth. And I have the Sun Pass. Melody and I are basically spending the preponderance of our snowbird season in Florida for the 2022-2023 snowbird season. So I went ahead and got the Sun Pass. I was able to use that. They have a separate lane. They're both on Interstate 275 going over the Skyway Bridge, and then these two toll booths going out to Fort Desoto County Park. So another piece of administrative information you need to know if you're heading out to Fort Desoto Park in Florida is that you'll have to pay for parking. There is a they have multiple different self-pay stations. You plug your license plate number in, and but the fee is $5 for the day. And I'll put up a short video clip of the machine where you pay. But right now, I'm going to cut to some of the stunning video that we captured during our visit to Fort Desoto Park in Florida. This video is going to blow you away, folks. I give you a walking tour first of the North Beach, and later on in the video, I take you over to the picnic area. Let's get to it. You won't have problems finding a parking place at Fort Desoto Park, folks. Look at how much parking there is out here. At North Beach, you'll find a cafe with open air seating. This is the open air seating area you're looking at right here, and the cafe's in the center of your screen. These people on the kayaks were having a good old time. You'll see them again a little bit later in the video. North Beach on Fort Desoto Park. That's the north point right behind me. This was a fairly large fish that had washed up on the beach. Lots of seashells during my walk toward the north point of the island. Notice the boats and the waterfowl just sitting in the shallow water. Just take in the scenery for a moment here on the north point of Fort Desoto Park. And as I zoom in, take a look at both the motorboat and the sailboat making their way out to the Gulf of Mexico. North Beach is expansive with lots of birds. Even in and among where all the people were just hanging out on the beach, it had a lot of birds. Sometimes you just need to pause and take in the scenery. Adjacent to North Beach, you'll find the Arrowhead Picnic Area. Look at the view of this water from this picnic area. Yep, this is the picnic area at Fort Desoto Park. I'm glad I came out here. Yeah, this is a pretty cool place to have a snack. From Fort Desoto Park in Florida, I think I'm going to leave it here. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.